The video you just watched was made using Seedance 2.5 with one prompt. No editing, no separate tools, no animation skills, just one sentence in, and a full AI-generated video out. And if you're wondering how that's even possible, I'm about to show you exactly how I did it, using MagicLight's story-to-video feature and their new Seedance 2.5 model. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. If you have been wanting to start a faceless YouTube channel but didn't want to learn animation or juggle 5 different AI tools, this might be the easiest way in. This AI platform right here houses lots and lots of amazing models, and they even have Seedance 2.5 available for you to use, which is just great. Because if you look around, you can see that this is not just an image and video generator. This is actually an automated, full-blown machine that lets you produce high-quality videos with little to no stress. For example, you can see some features like story-to-video and kids story-to-video, as well as interview video and short drama video. So all that's left for you is to choose which one works best. For example, I'm going to go with story-to-video. So all you have to do is click right here on Create, and you should be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see they have lots of options to choose from. For example, you have different visual styles like the realistic style, 3D cartoon, and many other styles. And this is just great. But for this, I'm going to be going with cartoon story, so all you have to do is have it selected. You have lots of models to choose from for generating the images, but for this, I'm going to leave it at Gemini Flash. Now, all you have to do is type in a prompt of your choice. And what's great about this is that it doesn't have to be a crazy long prompt. You can just give it an idea. For example, I'll say, a puppy sneaks into a bakery looking for the perfect pastry. And that's all. That's the whole prompt. This AI platform is smart enough to incorporate it and make a full story for us. Before hitting generate, you can choose the duration of the video, and you can even generate up to 60 minutes of AI video with one simple prompt like this. And honestly, that is just great. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to be generating 1 minute of video. And do keep in mind, you can take this all the way up to 60. Hit confirm before you click on next. Make sure everything is set as you like, and then click on it. The AI platform is currently analyzing our request, and in no time, it's done analyzing and giving us the shots for this, because it's going to generate 12 shots in total. So it has broken down all the prompts for each and every one of them, and if you look below here, you can see that the video is approximately 1 minute, just as we requested. Click on Next, and it has generated these beautiful characters for us for the video. Now you can edit each character it generates and even choose your own. You have a wide variety of presets, and you can as well choose the voice and the name, but I'm just gonna leave everything as is because it's perfect for the storyline. All you have to do is click on Next, and you'll be loaded over to the storyboard where all the scenes are being generated. So it's currently generating the 12 images for the scenes that we need for this video. So just give this a couple of minutes while it generates every single one of the images for us. And then after, I'll show you how you can animate them using Seedance 2.5. And in no time, it has generated these beautiful 12 images for us, and each and every one of them are just great. You can take a look at each of them, and if you find any weird glitches or morphing, you can head right over here and click Regen to regenerate the image. Or you can change up the prompt to whatever you want. But each and every one of these look just great. The character stays consistent, no weird glitches or anything. So now we move on to the animation phase. Now you might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, this is simple. All you have to do is click right here on Animate, and you'll see a wide list of models to choose from. If you look over here, you can see that Seedance 2.5 is now available for you to use. And this is just great, because not only do you get that realistic quality with Seedance 2.5, you can also incorporate it with the 60-minute long videos you get with this AI platform to make a whole film just with one prompt. Now I'm just going to click right here and select Seedance 2.5 and confirm, and our video is currently being generated. Now do this for each and every one of them, just like this. Now each and every one of our shots are being generated, and I'm really excited to see how this will turn out because we are using Seedance 2.5 for the generation. Do keep in mind that we are doing all this fully autonomously with just one single prompt with little to no stress. So just give this a couple of minutes while it generates all the 12 shots of video for us. And in no time, our videos are currently done generating, and you can play them to make sure everything is just great. You can see that was great, no weird morphing, no distortion. And you can as well toggle on sound effects, which I'll do for each and every one of them. This will make the overall feel of the video much, much better. So make sure to toggle them on just like this. Once everything is set and ready to go, all you have left to do is to click right here on Next. And you should be loaded over to this interface where you can then choose the subtitles as well as the background music. I recommend just keeping it simple. For this, we're not going to be using any background music. So lastly, all you have to do is click right here on Generate and select the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 16:9 and 1080p quality. Now, our final video is being put together, so do give this a couple of moments while it works things out. And if you look over here, you can see that you can publish this directly onto your YouTube. And that's why I said that this isn't just an image and video generator, this is actually an automated system. It even gives you title suggestions as well as hashtags and a summary for the video. Okay, now our final video is done. Let's play this and take a look.
Barnaby, the golden retriever puppy, pushed his wet nose against the cracked glass door of Miller's bakery.
Sweet cinnamon scent beckoned him. He wriggled through.
Flowers see, Barnaby trotted, donuts gleamed. He stood on his hind legs, scraping his claws against the wood. The case was simply too high. He spotted a rolling cart against the wall. Barnaby leaped onto the bottom shelf.
And the cart wobbled dangerously. He climbed higher and higher until he reached the top. There it was, a single blueberry muffin. He grabbed it just as the heavy front door clicked open.
A bell chimed. The baker walked in with a tray of hot bread. Barnaby froze.
His heart racing. He dropped the muffin into his mouth and scrambled toward the back exit. He squeezed through the door just as the baker shouted. Barnaby sprinted across the busy street.
His prize clutched tightly in his teeth. He found a quiet, sun-drenched spot under a park bench.
Tail wagging, he finally took his first delicious bite. Success never tasted so sweet.
Honestly, that was really, really good. It told the whole story with consistent characters, consistent scenes, and everything looking good. You can download the video straight to your device by clicking right here. Now, heading back, you can see that you have many, many other awesome features to test out, like the Asset Store, where you can see pretty much everything you're looking for, whether it's characters, visual styles, and even skills to use. Everything is just here for you to test out. You can see some skills to help you with better prompts and test some of these out. They are honestly just great. You can as well see all your assets and everything you've generated using this platform. They are all saved right here so you can easily reuse them. This is just great if you're focusing on generating content with consistent characters. You can as well take a look at the styles. You can see I have some styles right here that I made, and you can create a new style by clicking right here on Create. All you have to do is upload 2 images of the same style, and you can type in something about it. For example, I can say realistic style, just like this, and you can click on Next. You can see that it's really generating some styles for us to use in future generations, and each and every one of these styles generated are just great. I used MagicLight Seedance 2.5 to create this video, and if you want to try it yourself and make long, high-quality AI videos with consistent characters and scenes, go create your own with MagicLight today. Links right below in the description. And don't forget, MagicLight and I are giving away 2 MagicLight Pro memberships to 2 lucky winners. So if you want a shot at that, just like this video and drop a comment letting me know you're in.